Hello YouTube, this is One Legged Prepper, and I wanted to discuss my everyday carry in my backpack and my vest for work. So anyway, we start off with matches and compacted toilet paper, and then two headlights, and then a cigarette lighter, a Leatherman or a multi-tool which has so many uses, duct tape, um, cotton ball and Vaseline, jute twine, which is good for starting a fire along as cordage, a sewing kit, a fire kit, another fire kit, a pencil, a marker, and a pen. And in my vest, I carry a lighter, a tourniquet and trauma shears, a SWAT tee, a lighter, and then a hat. And then also a pair of gloves. And as usual, YouTube, if you found this video useful, helpful, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And I also do have a water bottle. And I now know I need to add some water purification tabs to this kit. But anyway, as usual, if you found this video useful, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, God bless. This is One Legged Prepper, out.